everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle and I am vlogging a day in the life video for you guys today. A perfect fall day. We are here at Hunt Club Farms in Virginia Beach, which is like this cute little local marketplace, fun little fall festivities for your children and families. They have hay rides, they have horses, they have everything you can think of here for fall. They have pumpkins for sale, yummy food. It's just so much fun. So we're here for one of our friends' birthday parties, and I thought I would bring you guys along with me for that. So let's do it.
Baby, a little gay.
Oh my gosh. Look at that goat. Aww. All right.
Tractor rides.
I
That's
know.
Where I know this from.
Yes. And they have like a haunted maze and...
Man, you've been here like 10 times.
Yeah, I know, but I forgot because I don't know the name. I don't think there's anybody.
Hunt Club Farms.
birthday parties enter here.
Oh, that's so cool.
Are you finding the perfect pumpkin?
No, we're finding the wonkiest pumpkins to take pictures with. Because we... Oh gosh, this is perfect. Oh, he's so cute. Look how perfect this pumpkin is.
Oh my gosh. That's literally like a Hallmark pumpkin. Hi. Oh, I love your boots. They're so cute. Cowgirl shoes. They're perfect for here. Did you know there was goats out there? I saw some goats jumping up and down in the tree. Do you see them? Look at those goats. They're so silly. So cute. I love those boots. That is so pretty. How cute. What are you doing?
I want you to hold your arm out like this.
Yeah.
Now I want you to walk straight forward.
Like you're gonna boop.
Right about there? Okay, perfect.
Ooh. A spider web.
It's not real.
That's a big spider web. Where was the spider? Did Daddy kill it?
It's made out of yarn.
It's not real? It's made out of yarn? That looks like a real spider web, Autumn. How are you telling me that's pretend? Oh, there you go, Dad. What a good helper. He needs one of these, too. One picture, one clip. Perfect. Ooh, look. Little autumn-sized pumpkins. Ooh.
I like this one.
Oh, that one's perfect. I love that one.
Some of them are heavy.
Yeah, is this one heavy?
No.
That one's not heavy? Let's see, let's find, is this one gonna be heavy? What about that one? Is that heavy?
No.
They're not heavy. Oh, what about this cute little one? Is this one perfect?
Yeah, perfect.
That's a perfect one. I love it. Ooh, let's find the white ones, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go find a white one.
There's someone here.
Perfect, you found them. Is that the perfect one? Ooh, I want to take a picture with the most perfect one.
Well, what is this? That's corn.
Those are called gourds. Yeah, they're called gourds. Gourd. Can you say gourd?
Corn.
Gourd. Yeah, it's a funny name, huh? Smile with your perfect pumpkin. I want to take a picture of it.
Let's find more pumpkins.
Okay. Okay. Ooh, I really like that one.
I like this one.
Ooh, that one's perfect too. There's a lot of perfect pumpkins here.
How about this one? The yellow one.
Whoa, that's a yellow pumpkin.
That's a big one.
They're huge. Oh my goodness, you're so strong. How are you doing that? Birthday girl.
I can't carry this one.
That one's way too big. All right. What are you doing?
Holding pumpkin. 19.
She's counting how many she can hold.
20.
Uh-oh. How many you think she can hold?
21.
21.
22.
There's too many of these. I think that's all she
Here,
needs.
turn, look at me, Kayla, smile. You're on the vlog. How many do you have?
That's all she needs.
23 pumpkins.
24.
That's all she needs.
25.
That's all she needs.
What is she gonna do with all those pumpkins? She's so silly.
All she needs.
Yeah, that's all she needs.
When I'm 23, I will get a real puppy.
When you're 23?
A crazy. My dad's gonna get me.
And when you're 23, he'll get you a puppy? Oh my goodness, that's exciting. But you don't have much longer, you're already 4 years old. Is that one pretty? Ta-da!
Can you hold it by the bottom like this? Good job.
Oh, it's so pretty, Autumn. What a beautiful pumpkin patch. Is this what you wanted for your birthday party? A pumpkin patch party? Well, you got it, girl. I've never seen so many pumpkins.
Pumpkin jumps.
You're jumping over all those big pumpkins, huh? Woohoo! Good job. So we will feed you. You don't have to eat that old corn. We'll give you real food. It's pretty though.
Yeah.
It looks like fall.
I'm about to like take this whole cook it. I'm not gonna cook
Those are good
Beautiful
looking.
rotten corn.
It's perfect for fall.
Really, child.
it. It has a wig.
Thank you. Oh, I say that here.
You know, I'm 4 hours.
I've never picked up a chicken. Look at all these goats, and then there's little baby ones over there.
I want the baby goat.
Me too. Oh my goat.
Oh my goats.
And you
Hello. Hi, pretty goat.
That goat is in the. How did that?
Oh my goodness, look, he's in his little hay feed. He just hopped in there, I guess.
Let me get out.
Maybe he can slide through the bars, I don't know. He says, I would like some food, please.
This is like a
Hello.
cutest girl I've ever seen. You're
Can I pet your
beautiful.
ear? Thank you. Oh goodness. That one's a very picky
Is
eater.
food too small for you?
Right, he's like, oh, peasant. I would like the filet mignon, please. Hi. Andrew, how did you get in there?
Here.
Oh. Hey, Mark.
Right here.
Stop.
Hold mine. bird sticks.
Holding them.
You're a bird stick holder.
And the bird stick. Hello. Look at that one, babe. Babe. Right there. Oh. You want like a fresh-born goat.
This gate will go hand with us.
Oh.
Yeah, how much is this gate? How much do I buy this gate for? I'm glad you asked.
Your head is so little, I can put his chin in my lap. Him licked me.
Yeah, him's love. Yeah. Hey, llama friend.
No.
Llama friend.
Don't call them llama friend.
Well, they're a foe right
Hey,
now.
llama
'Cause
friend.
they don't want
Look
food.
at this, llama friend.
They're literally eating right now.
They like hay. What about those cows over there?
Hey, llama friend.
What about cow friend?
Yeah.
Ooh. Look out for the
Cow
mud.
friend. Yeah, you're big and strong.
Oh, yummy.
A chicken escaped.
You'll make a delicious steak one day.
I can't wait to eat you.
Medium rare. Delicious.
Yeah.
I will name him Filet.
This is filet mignon.
Mignon.
That is one.
Yes. Yum yum. Filet is hungry.
This one is serious.
Look
It's
at
gonna get me here.
Uh-huh. Baby
Little
chickens,
hiding
Autumn. Are they so cute?
I like this little one.
Baby
Like a
chicken.
little,
That's Autumn. That's not a
That's a
chicken.
Cornish chicken.
That's an Autumn.
No, this one?
That's not a chicken.
What type of bird is this one?
You're not a bird, are you?
This one looks like a blonde bird.
Oh, you're a blonde chicken. Hey, Mark, are you a bird whisperer? Do you feel like Ace Ventura?
Hello, little bird buddies.
He's upside down and it's adorable.
Oh, you almost two
Hold the stick
birds.
up.
That tickled me.
They're
Hold the stick
ticklish
up.
birds. Look at all these birds. They're so hungry,
You
huh?
have three.
I know.
This one's been on my stick for like 10 minutes.
Bird whispering gentlemen.
Oh, okay. I didn't realize that you're filming and you have birds.
Free, this one is, I love him.
Yeah!
He's just standing. Yo, this is Pikachu.
Oh my goodness, the Pikachu bird.
That's a man. That was really pretty.
That's beautiful,
Yeah,
Savannah.
Savannah, yeah.
That's gorgeous.
Is he okay? And like,
Yeah, it's that one.
Aw.
Where is all that?
You're the bird whisperer.
I don't even have food on my knee in Atlanta. So cute.
That's
Why didn't no
cute.
one tell me there was a koi pond?
Hour drive.
You want to pet them.
Hey!
No? Why are we scooping the bird up like that?
We're gonna leave. That was the best part of the day.
It was amazing, and I got it on film. That's awesome. It's time to say goodbye.
Miss Graves? I'm sorry, llama friend. Please don't spit at me. They don't like it.
That's okay.